morning. Today is the day when the historical winter storm started in Ontario, and I'm gonna take you through the day and let's see what's gonna happen and how much snow we're actually gonna have. So that's how much we have right now, and it's already snowing crazy much. They warned everybody to cancel their winter travels and all just to be safe. So I want to see how crazy it's gonna get, and you will see it with me. We are on the run. I have oatmeals. This girl's hair is wet. Happy December 23rd. It's been already a busy morning. I woke up, I took a shower, I washed my hair, and now we're going for last minute Christmas shopping. And we're going right now early because it's a huge snowstorm and we don't know what's gonna happen later. How was your shopping? Good. Where is? We went to Walmart. Yeah, and there were so many people. It was crazy. And now we came to Marshall's and we got some nice stuff. Yeah. Ja, siis tää Malmi. Just cleaned our stairs before we left, and now it's all snowed in again. Your dad to help you. I'm very confused. I don't know what to do.
You're holding toilet paper and then you're trying to saw a Christmas tree and you're wearing a Christmas bathrobe and sparkly Uggs.
That's me. Please put it there in front of the window and straight. Here? No. Yeah, now put it straight. Listen, I do my side more. I don't want them straight.
Oh, that's a nice.
It needs to drink now.
Do I bring it in a bucket?
Elsewhere, and then the airlines are still recovering from the winter storm that hit Vancouver.
Yeah, of course, that ripple effect affects airports across North America and beyond, and WestJet getting ahead of the storm, canceling those flights late last night. So we're still in the storm now, but as it loses strength sometime tomorrow, what's the main priority for airport operations at that point?
Well, really, what we're seeing right now is very little impact, and we're hopeful that tomorrow there won't be much impact either. The forecast
Make the decision at 4:30.
and transit riders also being impacted.
It is now 23rd night, late at night. I think it's 12 something already, and I'm going to start packing the presents for Christmas. So I made a pile for everybody. Here is my dad, here is my mom's pile, and here's my brother's pile, and here is Elise's, and then there is more stuff that I didn't take out yet. I have to take these out. But if I'm being honest with you, I don't remember exactly what I ordered from Amazon because it was some time ago. So we're gonna open it with you and see what I ordered and for whom I ordered. Let's see the first pack. It's like Christmas for me too because I don't remember exactly what I ordered. Yes, right. I ordered a face mask for my mom. What's in this bag? In this bag I have, and these are feathers for Masha's costume for something really, really cool and big that's going to happen soon. But I'm going to share about that later. Here we have how to make different kind of cocktails. I think there's 120 recipes. It's pretty exciting. Oops, I don't know. We'll see. It's easier to wrap the box. This goes to my dad's bottle. Here. Next box is bigger box. These are cool. This I know what it is. It is for my mom. And these are markers. Many different color markers. She really loves markers, and she's using different ones for her work when she's doing documents and stuff, or making like quick notes. So she really loves them, and she needs different colors. So this is for her. I'm very excited. I want to know what she's gonna say. Here's 80, I believe. Let's see. Yes, it's 82. Very exciting. This is it's a skill, and it's also taking where is it? It's a body composition scale. It's like smart, healthy living. You add it to your phone, and then it takes all the other kind of like important measurements also. I'm not sure exactly. I don't know, but it's supposed to be a really good one. So this is for both of them. Something wrapped nicely. And here is a beautiful, beautiful Christmas tree ornament. This is very symbolic for our family. So this is for everybody. This I'm not gonna wrap. This or maybe I'm gonna wrap it and we open it in the morning already of the 24th, and then we can put it on the tree and just look at it the whole day, because this means really much for us. It is a speaker. It's for my brother, and I think my dad will also use it. It's a really big speaker and it has lights as well. I hope it's good as well, I'm not sure. But that's a speaker for the boys in our family. But now I'm gonna start packing the presents. And I'm gonna start from Alyssa's presents, because she's gonna be the first one who's gonna get them in the morning, tomorrow morning, the 24th morning.